Hello and welcome back to Ticker. I'm your host, Mike Loader. We are looking to the next generation of Gen AI capability when it comes to cyber risk and compliance. No one better to speak with than the team at 6clicks about their Hailey Assist AI. Joining me now to tell us all about it is Anthony Stevens, the CEO and co-founder of 6clicks, and I suppose you could say the father of Hailey or the family member of Hailey?
Yeah, something like that. I mean, we conceived Hailey sort of August 2020, I think it was, the first release, and it was sort of thought about back in 2019. So yeah, it's been a few years.
Yeah, so tell us about what you guys have been working on, I suppose, more recently with patches and bugs and whatever else it is you guys get up to when it's a ones and zeros thing that is far out of my league. Tell us what you've been up to.
Yeah, so Hailey, like the problem we've been trying to solve ultimately is to create an easier and simpler way for cybersecurity, risk and compliance professionals to engage with our software. And over the last couple of years, I think everyone's familiar with ChatGPT and all that kind of stuff. It just makes, and the good thing about that kind of technology and the technology that underpins it, which is large language models, is that technology allows machines to understand what we're saying, right? You can use just natural language to describe something and it kind of gets you. The problem we've been looking to solve though is how do we get that same sort of technology to not just understand you, but also get stuff done, right? So actually take action based on what you're asking for, and also do that within the context of the data and the knowledge within your organisation and external data that's relevant to your business.
Okay, so there's actionable steps.
There's actionable steps.
Come a long way since those 90s chat bots that I used to, the gimmick of it,
100%. So I mean, you know, and I'm sure all the viewers know, when they use ChatGPT, the responses you get back are pretty, they're fascinating, they're amazing, but they're also generic, right? Correct. They're not necessarily related to the way your business operates or what you do. And the system itself is not then going and doing stuff for you. And that's what we've built with Hailey Assist. We've used that sort of technology. We've also layered on top what's called a RAG, retrieval augmenting generation technology that essentially augments data about or knowledge within your organisation, external public data, proprietary data feeds. It's very cool. But it just makes it simple, right? It just makes it very powerful for people to use natural language and then get responses back that are both actionable and contextual. And so that's what we've done.
Contextual rather than personalised and whatnot. But let's talk a bit about the problem you and the team are looking to solve. I guess more accurate information, more relevant information. Is that the main problem?
It's ultimately trying to also navigate through a lot of software out there. You would know, everyone knows in different areas. It's forms, it's grids, it's different menu systems. Our vision here is to make it so simple to use enterprise software. You just type what you're looking to do, and the system understands you, and then it guides you directly to what's your next step, right? And so that's what we've built into Hailey Assist. Hailey Assist being the assistant within the platform. That helps you get things done, as well as provides insights into what's happening in the outside world and, stuff that's in your data.
Because that's the other thing, isn't it? The outside world, what's happening, keeping it up to date is a challenge. Is that something you guys are looking to solve or researching it at the moment when it comes to, real-time data?
So we're sort of with our EAM, it's our enterprise action model, is the foundational model underpinning Hailey now. What we've done is sort of brought in external data, data about your organisation, and as the name suggests, an action model that says when you type, create a new risk, or tell me what my latest audit outstanding is, or tell me what the results of my compliance review happen to be. Any of those sorts of questions, the system will come back and say, here's the answer, and also here's click on this link, and it will take you directly to where I've derived that.
Here are some new solutions and opportunities that may assist you in
100%.
Getting what you need done. What makes this stuff so cool to you and the team? What's so impressive about it for you? I mean, it sounds impressive, but what goes on behind the scenes? I'm trying to picture what Hailey looks like in my head.
Right. So we've actually, it's a very good question. We've taken within 6 clicks when you log in, historically there's been a dashboard there, right?
Yep.
And there's a whole heap of sort of pie graphs and stuff that shows you about or helps you understand what's in the system. What we've done is we've replaced that with effectively like a ChatGPT style user interface. There's statistics there as well, but there's a ChatGPT style text box that says, what do you want to do?
Ask
right?
and you shall receive.
Ask whatever you want, and it will tell you the answer, and it will also tell you how you get that done, right?
Anthony, it's incredible stuff, but it's all the time I've got for you, and I could go back on this.
No, it's tremendous. Thanks, Mike.
Thanks so much for joining me in the studio.
Terrific. Cheers.
All right, that's the program. Almost let it get away from us, but look forward to seeing you again soon. I hope you learned something about this new technology, which I find very, very cool. I'll see you again soon. Be well.
You're watching Ticker. We'll have more in just a few minutes.